Smoke shop?
Yeah, I thought you guys were open every day. It's what the sign said.
We are.
Well, the last 2 Sundays I've been open. Been open at all. How do you
I work.
explain that?
I work Sundays. I was here.
Nah, you weren't. Nobody was there. I was buzzing and beeping at the horn and no one came
What
out.
time?
Well, I was there at a different time. I thought you guys said you were
I
open-
work on
said you
Sundays.
were open.
I work on Sundays. I
Nobody
was
was
here.
there.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Nobody even came to the door.
What time?
I honked my horn and no one even came outside.
Well,
No
you
one-
probably maybe went to the wrong store because I was here.
Hey, no one even batted an eye, fella. Oh, zero. Just jumping up and down.
Okay, I gotta go. Thanks for
Listen, I
calling.
need a book.
Smoke shop?
Yeah, you guys open up there?
Yes. 365 days a year.
Okay, except the last 2 Sundays you weren't.